Hey, this is Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. It's Saturday, our finance promo is still going on, so please give us a call to find out more info. And our bike of the day today is the Lowrider S. Then the Lowrider S is the performance softail. So we're gonna look at 5 reasons why you wanna get yourself a Lowrider S. Number 1, as I said, this is a bike all about performance. So the first place we'll start to look at then is the suspension. So in 2018, Harley Davidson redid the softail lineup, putting in a monoshock. So the Lowrider S, I know it was a Dyna before, now shares that same swing arm, that same rear suspension with the monoshock. It also has inverted front forks. Now I know before the 2017 Lowrider S was a super popular bike. I ride a Dyna myself, but this is a better handling, a better performing bike. You can also put a taller shock in, a spacer, get that back end jacked up, and really feel the performance of this bike. Number 2, again, we're gonna stick with the performance. Most of the Softails have a 30-inch rake. The Lowrider S has a 28-inch rake in the front. Shortening up that rake means better performance, better handling, and you'll notice it with those inverted front forks and that front end. This is a bike you can throw around. I know because I've rode this before on a racetrack. Number 3, and yes, I've been talking performance. While that performance of the suspension and the rake are all complemented by that beast of an engine, the 114 counterbalance, air-cooled with oil-cooled heads engine. And if you really want to get crazy, take it to a 131. But with a nice stage 1, this is a beast of a bike. Number 4, the Lowrider S is all about the custom parts to it. The nice bronze rims, the nice bronze accents in the lettering on the tank, the LED brake light, the small quarter fairing, the 4-inch risers. It's already got a custom look going to it, which you can just add on to it. And number 5 is this bike specifically right here. Last year they came in Vivid Black, Barracuda Silver. Of course, Vivid Black is the most popular. But this year, instead of the Barracuda Silver, Midnight Crimson. And this is a hot color. There's not gonna be too many of those around. So if you get a chance to get this one in Midnight Crimson, I would jump at it. It looks awesome. These Lowrider S's are going fast. We have a lot of deposits down. But if you're interested, give us a call. Come down to Trev Deeley Motorcycles in Vancouver. We'd love to help you get on a Lowrider S.